Hey folks, welcome to Camperagent TV, and today we're going to take a look at Concept Caravans XTC 550. Let's take a look. Alright folks, let's start at the front of the caravan here. As you can see, we have a DO35 hitch, full stone guard there as well to protect your van. At the front you have all your cabling that you need, which is a 12-pin flat plug, your Anderson plug, of course your reverse camera there as well. Large toolbox on the front, which does have a slide on the other side. Of course your gas bottles. Moving around the van, you have a full tunnel boot, plenty of room for storage there. Of course you've got your awning. Over here we have an entertainment locker, so you can bring your TV outside, chuck it on there, plug it all in and entertain yourself out here under the stars. How good would that be? 240-volt socket. You have your pull-down picnic table as well. External speakers up there too, and external lights, all the stuff you come to expect. Move around the van, we do have your Alco Endurance independent suspension underneath, spare tyre, reverse camera. Over this side you have your black water outlet and external shower to get that sand off your feet if you're at the beach there and you just need a quick clean off. Alright, so let's go take a look inside the van. Alright, so here we are on the inside. Now one thing I love about the Concept range is that you cannot fault the cabinetry. It is just so well put together. I would implore you to try and find a better put together caravan than this. They are just absolutely amazingly put together. Let's go through the features, I'll show you everything else that's here. So let's start in the kitchen area. Over here you do have your full cooktop and grill with your 3 gas cooktops, 1 electric. Great size sink here with your filter tap, hot and cold. Is the soft close drawers. So you pull it out, bang, love it. Up here you've got your microwave, of course with the travel lock, which I love that about Concepts, they think of everything. Moving around this side, you have your cafe seating with trifold table. There it goes. You've got some 240-volt plugs here, as well as your 12-volt and USBs there as well. Over here, you have your 2-door fridge. Plenty of room there for all your food. Another feature I love about the cafe seating here is they do have a pull-out footrest. Now that's great for your feet, of course, which I'll show to you right now. You see, so it's very comfortable, lovely, but there's more. This will actually hold the weight of a full-grown human like myself. So that's pretty handy. So you can extend your seating here if you have a few more adults with you and you want to sit around and enjoy a coffee. This is going to make it a little bit easier for you. So moving around to the bedroom. Over here you have a queen-size mattress with your wardrobes either side. And you have great little cutouts here, which are quite handy to store your reading, like if you got reading materials, your favourite novel, chuck them in there. Inside here you have a 240-volt plug, as well as 2 USBs and a 12-volt plug in there as well, so you can plug in your phone, your tablets, all the stuff you need to take on the road with you. Over here is your BM Pro battery system, which is a great little system. This has battery and solar, of course. Mirror, TV, you beauty. Air conditioner up there as well, of course. Now over here we have your Ensuite, your full Ensuite, where you do have a 2 kilo front loader there, toilet there, you know how that works obviously, and a shower through here. Now another cool feature we have here is this mirror right here. I just really love this, how a little push button there for that beauty, so you can have a quick look at yourself in the morning, make sure everything's all nice. Might just leave my hat on. So there we have it folks, there's Concept Caravans XTC 550 Caravan. This has full Ensuite, solar panels. If you want to come out and check this van, come and have a chat to us. Ring us on 8285 5000 or come and see us at 750 Port Wakeful Road. Me and my team will be more happy to show you through this van. It is absolutely beautiful. You do not want to miss out. And on top of that, it's available for immediate delivery. How good's that? Thanks guys, thanks for watching.